Tools and Twisties, Precision Tools, Performance Cars. Hey, Black Friday, Toolbox Widget is having a 30% off sale. I'm not sure if it started yet or if it's going to start on Friday, but that's pretty much their best deal of the year. And I use their products quite a bit. They're modular toolbox organizers for sockets, wrenches, screwdrivers, and really whatever you want to try to use it for. And I find they come in quite handy because I am constantly running out of toolbox space. And toolboxes are pretty expensive, even with the big Icon I have and the US General, and I have 3 other toolboxes. I'm always fighting for space. And one of the things I really like about the Toolbox Widget is that with a little bit more organization, you can get a lot more tools in your drawer. So instead of showing it to you in the drawers, I thought I'd do a little benchtop display of what Toolbox Widget products are, how I use them, and why I like them. They really have a few different products. They have modular socket organizers in 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch, and that's what these are here. And the nice thing about them is that you can mix and match different size drives. Like you can combine 1/2 inch and 3/8 inch and 1/4 inch, and you can also put spacers in there if you have extra large sockets. You see there's like a spacer right in there. And it really makes it very convenient, especially if you have sets that are not all the same size drive, or if you don't like having empty holes on your socket layouts. They also have these little pegs that will show you the sizes, and they have the orange indicator for tool being missing, which comes in handy. You can at a glance tell if your tools are back in the box. They also make wrench organizers and plier organizers. So the wrench organizers are these here. And I use a couple of different styles of wrench organizers, but these are particularly nice because they keep the wrenches very vertical. And then if you have another set of wrenches, you can actually set up another set of wrenches here and interleave the wrenches, which you can't do with most other ones. So yeah, I use a combination of different wrench organizers, but these Toolbox Widget ones are pretty good. They also have little labels you can put on the top that will show the wrench sizes. They're a little hard to read with the blue on black, but they've just come out with a new series that is white instead of blue and much, much easier to read. Over here are their screwdriver organizers, and I'm using them to organize nut drivers, and then screwdrivers over here. And again, they're modular with spacers in between. You can set them up for whatever size sets you have. You can also run them opposite like that and not have to use spacers. Like you can see here, I have spacers between each one because I'm running them with the handles all the same way. But if you interleave them left and right, then you don't have to do that. And also, they don't have a specific ratchet organizer, but I use their plier organizer, which is this right here. I use their plier organizer for ratchets. So basically, in addition to the 3 socket sizes, 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2, these are the profiles of what they have. They have the plier organizers, which they give you a couple of these big ones and mostly these medium ones in a kit. And then this is the wrench organizer, and this is the screwdriver organizer. And you can see they're all very similar. They all interlock. They have these little locking tabs on them. And they're very nice. Once they're in a box, they'll easily go through a liner. And once they're in a box, they stay put. Maybe the box is in the back won't, but they stay put. They don't slide around. As you open and close the drawer, the tools don't move. Really nice. If there's one complaint I have, it's that they stick almost too well. If you have like these laid out in a drawer and you decide you want to move the socket row a couple inches back, or you want to move it to the left or to the right, they stick pretty well, and they don't like to slide very easily once in place. So you kind of have to remove the tools, move the socket organizers or the plier organizers or whatever you're moving, and then put them back. So when you're getting a toolbox laid out, it can be a little bit frustrating because they stick so well. But again, they're excellent organizers, and they give you a lot of extra room in your box. So yeah, Toolbox Widget, 30% off for the Black Friday weekend. Tools and Twisties is the discount code. Toolboxwidget.com/tools and twisties will get you there. There'll be a link below. Let me know in the comments if you like these Toolbox Widget organizers, if you prefer other organizers, if you use them, if you're looking at buying some, and what you think. As always, let me know in the comments as well what you'd like to see reviews of. And that's it for today. Tools and Twisties, a Black Friday Toolbox Widget special video, and we are out.